Hello everyone. In this video, we will be setting up a new WSL distro and the prerequisites for FustatAI. We'll follow the Getting Started guide and we'll go through the steps. So our first step is to check for WSL, whether it's installed on Windows or not. So I have WSL already configured, and if you didn't get a similar result like this one, or you get an error, you'll need to first install WSL. So you'll need to run these commands. The first one is to install WSL, followed by setting the default version to WSL2. Now you'll need to restart your machine after that. Once you've done that, then you can resume from here. So let's add a new distro. So we'll use this command to install Ubuntu 24. And this might take some time, so I'll fast forward the video till the download is complete. Okay, so our distro is now installed, and it's asking me to set the user account, name and password. So let's first give the name, and then set a new password. We type the password, and now we good. Now, if you open the start menu, you should be seeing that Ubuntu is already here. So we can actually start it from here. So let me just exit this terminal and then start Ubuntu. This is usually the way that you're going to do it, is just open the shortcut from the Windows menu. And then now we are running inside Ubuntu. So there are a few commands that we need to run first. The first one is to run apt update and apt upgrade. So let's do that. Since I'm running sudo, it's asking me for that password. Now Ubuntu is gonna get the updated packages. Okay, so the next step is to install some few utilities. So these are two commands that we're going to run here. Oops, that was typed 2 times. The second command. Okay, so the package no longer required, so we're good. Okay, so now we have Ubuntu installed and updated. Now we start to install our prerequisites. So let me just clear this out of the way. And then the first thing is Git, and Git comes pre-installed, so we can just like check for it. So here I have the 2.43. And the next command is to install Python. So first we need to add the repository. Okay, enter to continue. And then we need to add apt update. And finally, install the packages. Now verify, and we're good. We have 3.13.11. So we need to install UV, which is a package manager for Python. So let's do that. and check UV version. Okay, so after installing UV, we need to start a new terminal. So let's start a new terminal. And from here, let us check for UV. Okay, good. Now we have it. So the next step is to install Postgres. So we need to run these two commands. Now we start the Postgres service and check that the service is up and running. So now it's active. Okay. Now let's set up the Postgres QL user account. So we're going to set the password. You can change the password here if you like. This is the default password for the admin account. And then you can do like a quick check. Create a DB using the username. Okay, now we're good. Right, so the next step is to install Node.js. So first we got the command here for the prerequisites. Now install the package. Okay, now update npm. Okay, now the final check. Node version 22.21 and npm version 11.17. With that, we have all the prerequisites in place where we can start the development. So final note here, if you are using VS Code, then make sure to install these extensions in VS Code. This will make the development a lot easier. Thank you for watching.